2 recipes that'll unleash the mango lover inside you. Mango and cardamom syllabub. Put the flesh of 2 mangoes in a food processor and blend to a puree. Stir in almost all the finely chopped flesh of the other 2 mangoes, then spoon into the base of 8 glasses. Grind the cardamom seeds to a powder, then put in a bowl with the lime zest and juice, icing sugar and brandy. Stir well, then tip in the cream and whip until it holds its shape. Fold in the crushed meringue. Spoon the cream mixture on top of the mango puree, then spoon the remaining chopped mango on top. This can be made 1 hour ahead. Serve decorated with mint sprigs. Pineapple sorbet with fresh mango. Combine water, sugar, and mangoes in a pot over medium heat. Once the sugar has dissolved, simmer for 30 minutes and reduce. Pour simple syrup through a strainer and remove excess liquid, then let it cool to room temperature. In a blender, combine simple syrup, pineapple, and the remaining mango. Blend until well combined. Pour into an 8x8 inch, 20 by 20 centimeters baking dish and freeze for at least 12 hours. Enjoy these refreshing treats during the summer months.